As I said to everybody, if you're going to record, we'll have to seize your phone.
Why's that?
Because it'll have evidence on.
I'm in public, mate.
Sorry?
You need a call to seize
You can
your phone.
record, no, but you don't. You need section 19 of PACE.
No, you don't, mate.
You're recording the scene of a collision, therefore that's
Is it a
evidence.
collision?
Yeah.
A scene of a collision.
Therefore that's evidence. So if you
CCTV,
continue-
you go on then, mate. I've got live on it, mate.
So if you continue, we will have to seize it.
Oh,
So I'm
yeah.
just asking you to please be respectful and not do it.
Respectful.
Yeah.
Everyone else is filming. You got news teams over there filming, mate.
Yeah,
Did
but
you tell them you're going to...
They're allowed.
At this point, the bystander calmly challenges the officer's reasoning, asking pointed questions without losing composure. Staying level-headed in these situations is essential, as it helps protect your legal rights and prevents escalation.
Muppet.
Where's your press card then?
Why do I need a press card to prove to you I'm press?
Yeah.
Get a grip, mate. Do you know what? Do one, mate. If you're going to talk crap, mate, do one. Go
Rather
seize me
that.
phone. Go on, seize me phone. Go on. There you go. There you seize me phone now, live. Go on.
Welcome to Great Grimsby. We're on Freeman Street and the police have taken the road off. What's going on here?
In this moment, confusion grows as the area is cordoned off with no clear explanation provided. Ensuring transparency in public spaces is crucial, and even a simple clarification could prevent misunderstandings and unnecessary tension.
What's happened here, sir? What's happened?
Don't know, mate.
Don't know.
Don't know.
Don't know what...
Some sort of incident. Can't go down there, buddy.
What's happening?
Sorry?
What's happening?
Well, in a minute he's closed off, buddy, just while we conduct our inquiries.
Yeah, what inquiries?
Hey?
What inquiries are them?
Well, that's up to these officers, mate. I'm just keeping it short at the minute. If you need to go through though, you can just literally nip round the back and go around that side.
Yeah.
Sorry?
I know, yeah, we're part of the press, mate. We want to know what's going
Yeah,
on.
we can't just walk through them, mate.
It doesn't say it's sealed off.
No, that's why I'm still here.
I know, but you didn't tell me
Yeah.
it's sealed off. Tell us what food you put your hands on.
If you're part of the press, mate, you should have some ID on you. You should ask as well, shouldn't you? You should know the score, like.
Well, that's
Which press are you from?
English media group.
Right, okay, mate. Well, yeah, have some ID on you, mate, so that you can see that, and then you can just ask, and then we'll tell you what's what. But I can't lay through in a minute, mate. Just while these officers do the inquiries, that's all.
You just so you tell us what's what. So tell us what's then.
Yeah, no, I'll tell you what's what way you can go. I can't tell you much more. You can go to our media department if you need to know anything else. Just ring 101, ask for the media department. Because it's the other side.
Pay attention as the officer mentions the media department and inquiries, a common tactic used to avoid answering questions when information can't be shared. Even so, the delivery feels overly defensive and does little to build trust in the interaction.
Side of the tape. So if you want to walk around, you can go in there and ask them.
Have they told you what's happened?
It's a collision.
Oh, a collision?
Yeah.
With that seat there?
I don't know, mate.
With the hazards on?
Don't know.
Gotta be
You could assume all you like, but I can't tell you.
It's got to be, innit?
They're in out the bookies, though, aren't they?
Has someone tried to rob William Hill?
No. No, there's no robbery or any violence or anything like that. Again, I'm sorry, I'm not being funny, lads. I just can't say what I can't say. Like,
I know you can't, mate. I know you can't. I didn't realise it was shut off though. I'm just
yeah, no, that's
I
fine.
just thought you stood there.
No, that's just why I'm here, mate. But yeah,
I won't be the cunt, mate.
no, that's fine, mate. A lot of people do.
Right. You've got to understand, right? This is just a collision.
Because they see yours and they do exactly like you do. Assume the way it's Freeman Street. And
So what's wrong with it? What's for the yellow markers on the tyres on that car?
well, that's for these guys doing the inquiries, isn't it?
What's with the yellow markers? Look at the floor around the tyres on the car.
Painted the
that
yellow.
was part of some kind of something's gone on with that car, but it's not been a crash, mate. Because there isn't another vehicle involved.
Don't mean there's not another person involved, does it?
Speak to this one. How are you? What's happening?
At this point, the conversation takes a turn as the bystander spots tire marks and begins to suspect intentional activity. Frustration becomes noticeable as their curiosity clashes with the sparse information the officers are willing to provide.
Just to see something's gone on there.
Something to do with that car there?
Possibly, I can't really.
There's something to do with an homeless guy in the car.
I'm not sure. I'm still recording to see where
That car ain't moving and it's got yellow markers around the tyres. That tells me that car's deliberately done something and it ain't just a crash scene, mate. It ain't though, is it, mate? You know that. Come on. Look at the amount of press here. This is deliberate. Isn't that even BBC? I'm sure he's BBC.
I'm not sure. It's just a man in a suit. I've seen
There's a man in a suit.
A man in a suit.
I love that, mate. I love that.
Sometimes
That's
I
been
put things
deliberately used to attack a person. We've got a vehicle deliberately used.
Not terror related though, is it?
As I've said to everybody, if you're going to record, we'll have to seize your phone.
Why's that?
Because it'll have evidence on.
I'm in public, mate.
Sorry?
You need a call to seize
You
his
can
phone.
record, no, but you don't. You need section 19 of PACE.
No, you don't, mate.
You're recording the scene of a collision, therefore that's
Is it a
evidence.
collision?
Yeah.
A scene of a collision.
Therefore that's evidence. So if you
CCTV.
continue-
You go on then.
Tensions peak here as the officer threatens to seize a phone under Section 19 of PACE. However, that power generally doesn't cover lawful public filming unless the footage directly relates to a suspected crime. Knowing his rights, the bystander remains calm and stands his ground.
Why?
So if you continue, we'll have to seize it. So I'm just asking you to please be respectful and not do it.
Respectful.
Yeah.
Everyone else is filming. You got news teams over there filming, mate.
Yeah,
Did
but
you tell them you're going to sit?
They're allowed.
I'm press. Are you a muppet?
Where's your press card then?
Why do I need a press card to prove to you I'm
Yeah.
press?
Yeah.
Get for it, mate. Do you know what? Do one, mate. If you're going to talk crap, mate, do one. Go
Rather
on, seize me
that.
phone. Go on, seize me phone. Go on. Dare you? Dare you seize me phone now, live? Go on. Got no grounds, that's why, because you
We
can't.
do because it's evidence of
I'm
an
pressed,
offence.
mate. I've just told you I'm pressed.
Well, let's see your press card
I
then.
don't need to show you a press card.
Were you going to leave then?
I've just told you, I'm filming.
Show respect.
Show respect?
Yeah.
There's nobody here. Where's an ambulance? There's no people
matter.
here.
It doesn't
What
matter.
respect to who? Tell me what's going on then, I'll respect you
The
then.
victim?
Victim of what? So someone's died here, you tell me now?
I'm not saying that.
Deliberately killed then, yeah? That's why you're sealing it off. But all these people can film, yeah? But we can't.
No one's filming and you're the one that's causing the scene.
You're
I'm
you
just
come
asking
over
you.
here and cause a scene,
I'm just
mate,
asking you
don't talk.
politely to not do
No, you
it.
didn't. You threatened to seize my phone. Don't say politely. You threatened to seize my phone. Yes, you will. You will do it. Yeah, it is. Do it then. Do it.
I don't want to.
No,
I'm just
because you
saying
can't.
that's what will happen.
You can't.
I can under Section 19 of PACE.
Under Section 19?
Yeah.
What?
Police and Criminal Evidence Act.
Yeah, but what's the crime?
I'm not saying it is a crime.
Yeah,
I'm
because you
saying,
can't seize it because no crime's been
I'm
committed. You
saying
can only seize
it's got
this.
evidence of an offence on it.
There's no way.
The
Wait.
scene
sure.
of a collision.
No, that's not an offence. That's a scene
Do
of
it.
a collision. That's not an offence. An offence has
But it's
already been
evidence,
committed.
isn't it?
No, it's not.
Even as both parties go over the same points, the officer's tone begins to soften. It seems he starts to recognize that pushing the argument further isn't going to achieve anything.
How is it evidence?
Because
Your
you're
mate's going to come
recording
and
the
tell you
scene.
now, mate. Educate yourself. Here, mate, educate him.
It doesn't. We're just asking you politely not
No,
to
you
do
didn't.
it.
Your friend to seize my phone. If you'd asked me politely, I said, yeah, right, mate. Someone's died.
didn't
Walk
say
away.
asleep.
Would you mind not filming out of
No,
respect?
you already said that, right? There's no
not
one
me,
here out of
I'm-
respect, right?
I've had a nice chat with you, mate.
But we've already
No,
spoken to two of
exactly.
them
We
and
was
they
having
didn't
a
have a
nice
problem.
chat. We weren't doing nothing wrong.
But I'm asking you respectfully not to do it.
Yeah, but why?
Press are allowed
Everyone
to
else
do it.
is.
He's pressed.
Yeah.
He's
Everybody
pressed.
that
Yeah.
I've spoken to who's
Yeah.
been recording,
Yeah.
I've asked them politely not to do it. And the
Okay.
reasons for not to do it.
Yeah.
If you press, that's fine.
Hold on a
If
minute.
we don't do this, we can't investigate it
There's a
properly.
guy over there now needs to tell you he's got
So
his phone.
therefore, unfortunately, we've got to
He's
cause-
filming over there, look, in
Just
landscape.
listen,
He's
just
filming in
listen.
landscape
Just
over
listen to
there.
me. I'm trying to
And you're
explain.
threatening us to take
I'm
our
trying to
take our
explain.
phones.
I'm trying to explain. Therefore, we have to cause minor inconvenience to members of the public so we
Yeah.
can do our job properly and investigate it properly, which just means closing the road.
Okay. Well,
I
I spoke
respectfully
to
ask not to
I spoke
record.
to the plastic cop and the real cop, and they didn't have a problem. And then you come over and say you're going to seize our cameras.
Under Section 19 of PACE.
Yeah,
Because it'll
everyone
have
else is
evidence
filming
on.
here though, and you've not
There
said it to
isn't.
them. You shouldn't start threatening seizing phones
It's
because
not,
everyone's
it's because-
recording.
It's because we can, and I'm just asking respectfully not to do it. And under Section 19 of PACE, if it's got evidence of an offence on it,
Well, it hasn't,
which
has
is
it? So we
potentially-
haven't.
It's the scene of a collision.
Yeah, but we haven't seen the collision. We've got here
No,
after
but
the
I'm
collision.
saying it's got evidence of the scene of the collision on. Okay.
Evidence that everyone else is filming that you're not worried
Yeah, and
about.
you've been told.
Yeah. Okay. Am I allowed to zoom in on it or not? Am I allowed to zoom in from here?
You're not.
You'd rather me not,
Yeah.
but I am allowed to.
Sorry.
I am allowed to though.
I can't stop you, can I? And you're probably going to do it anyway. But all I'm saying is, we can seize under Section 19.
By the conclusion, everyone is drained. There are no arrests and no violence, just lingering tension, highlighting how easily public encounters with police can become strained when filming rights are involved.
Yes, and if we need to, we will.
Yeah. And
Once you comply and send it into us.
And then what would happen?
Sorry?
And then what would happen?
Once we've downloaded the footage from it, get your phone back.
And then what would happen?
Nothing.
You'd be in trouble. You would.
Okay.
You're seizing a member of the public's phone for no reason.
So because
When everyone's here recording. Yeah, everyone's recording.
A serious
He
collision.
is recording over there.
He's a press officer, isn't he?
Because he's in a suit, he's allowed to record. Is that what you're saying?
No, he's got his media press cards and everything like that. You've not shown me any ID whatsoever.
Yeah, I don't need to. That's the thing.
Okay, I'm going to leave it with you, mate, anyway.
Yeah, alright. Great Grimsby. What a tosser he is. What we do?
Moments like these highlight the importance of remaining calm and understanding your rights. What's your take? Did the officer go too far, or was he simply following protocol? Share your thoughts in the comments. And if you support the protection of public filming, be sure to like and subscribe for more real-world accountability content.